Good day, grade 5 learners. I'm Teacher Jen. Welcome to another meaningful day in PE and health class. Today, we're going to talk about something that all of us experience: stress. But don't worry, we're also going to discover fun and healthy ways to manage it. We'll learn how different physical activities can help us feel better, stay calm, and be more focused. So get ready to move, learn, and take care of your body and mind, because staying active means feeling happier and healthier. Let's begin our journey to stress-free and healthy living. PE and Health 5 Quarter 1 Week 3 Lesson 4 Day 3. Learning Competency. Analyze stress-reducing benefits of physical activities. Content: stress reduction activities. Stress-reducing benefits of physical activity. Various physical activities that can help in reducing stress. Exercise, hobbies, and indoor and outdoor activities. Before we start with our lesson, let's have a quick review. Let's go back to one of the important things we learned yesterday. Why children like you should stay active while you're still young? 1. Why is it important for children to be active while they are young? A. So they can watch more TV. B. To get tired and sleep longer. C. To build skills, confidence, and motivation to stay active. D. So they don't have to study. 2. Children who are active are more likely to A. Avoid school. B. Stay active as adults. C. Get more gadgets. D. Become sleepy all day. 3. What are some results of not being active as a child? A. High energy and focus. B. Better sleep and mood. C. Less confidence and motivation to move later in life. D. Stronger muscles. 4. What can physical activity help reduce as you grow up? A. Kindness and confidence. B. Stress, anxiety, and depression. C. Grades and learning. D. Your height. 5. What are some types of physical activity that help children stay healthy and active? A. Playing mobile games and watching TV. B. Sleeping all day and eating snacks. C. Running, dancing, and playing outdoor games. D. Sitting quietly and reading books all day. Let's answer. 1. C. 2. B. 3. C. 4. B. 5. C. Alright class. I will show you a picture of a traditional Filipino game, also called Larong Pinoy. All you need to do is look closely at the picture, then try to guess what the game is. After guessing, I want you to share. Have you played it before? How is it played? What do you enjoy about it? Can you guess what game is in the picture, class? Look closely at the two sticks. One big, one small. And how the players are using them. Yes. You got it, that's what we call SYATO. SYATO is believed to have originated in rural areas of the Philippines, where it was played by peasant communities. Popularity in the 70s and 80s. The game gained significant popularity in the 1970s and 1980s, becoming a common pastime for Filipino children. While SYATO is the common name, it's also known as Pityo or Pikyo in Tagalog and Ilocano, Pityo Chato/Chatong in some areas, and Siatangs in Visayan. Part of Larong Pinoy. SYATO is one of the many traditional Filipino games, collectively known as Larong Pinoy, that are part of the country's cultural heritage. Gameplay. Teams. SYATO is typically played between two teams. Sticks. The game uses a longer stick, the bat, and a shorter stick, the hit. Hitting and scoring. Players use the bat to hit the hit, and the distance the hit travels is measured to determine points. Catching. A key part of the game is the opposing team attempting to catch the hit while it's in the air. Variations. There are different ways to score and different rules depending on the region and local variations. Cultural importance. Larong Pinoy games, including SYATO, are seen as important parts of Filipino culture, connecting people and preserving traditions. Community building. These games often bring people together, fostering social interaction and community engagement. Physical activity. Larong Pinoy provides a fun and active way for people to exercise and develop coordination and other physical skills. Revival efforts. Organizations like the Magna Cultura Foundation are working to revive interest in Larong Pinoy among younger generations. What you need for SYATO. One long stick, about 2 feet, used to hit, and measure one short stick, about 6 inches, the SYATO to be hit. Open space, like a field, playground, or gym. Chalk or cones, to mark boundaries or player areas, optional. Scoreboard or paper, for keeping team scores, optional. How to set up the game, SYATO 1. Find a safe, open space, a playground, field, or open area with enough room for running and swinging the sticks. 2. Prepare the materials, 1 short stick, about 6 inches, 1 long stick, about 2 feet, for hitting and measuring. 3. Mark the starting area, draw a line or box on the ground where the short stick at SYATO will be placed. 4. Divide the class into teams, 2 teams, 1 team hits the SYATO, hitters, the other catches or defends, catchers. 5. Explain the safety rules, only 1 player hits at a time, watch your surroundings before swinging, wait for instructions before entering the play zone. How to play, SYATO 1. Place the short stick, SYATO. Lay the short stick across a small hole or balance on 2 rocks. 2. Hit the short stick. Use the long stick to tap the short stick to make it bounce into the air, then hit it hard while it's in the air. 3. Measure the distance. If the stick is not caught, the hitter gets points by measuring how far it flew using the long stick. 4. Catch the stick, defense. The other team tries to catch the SYATO in the air. If they catch it, the hitter is out, and it's the next player's turn. 5. Switch roles. After all players on one team have had a turn, switch teams. 6. Scoring. Each team earns points based on the distance the SYATO travels, if not caught. The team with the most points after all turns wins. Class. How did playing or engagement to physical activities make you feel? Did you notice any changes in your stress levels or mood after participating in the activity? What aspects of playing or engagement to physical activities do you think contributed to reducing stress? How did you feel about working cooperatively with your classmates while playing or engaging in physical activities? Did collaborating as a team influence your stress levels positively? Reflect on a time when you felt stressed. What physical activity or stress reduction technique did you find most helpful in managing your stress? Why? Great job, class. You've listened well and participated actively. Now it's time to test what you've learned. Read each question carefully. Choose the letter of the best answer. 1. What is stress? A. A feeling of happiness and fun. B. A feeling of worry, pressure, or being overwhelmed. C. A type of food you eat when you're tired. D. A game you play at recess. 2. Why is it important to reduce stress? A. So you can feel better, stay healthy, and focus more. B. So you can play video games longer. C. So you don't have to do schoolwork. D. So you can sleep all day. 3. What are 2 benefits of physical activity for reducing stress? A. Makes you sleepy and bored. B. Helps you feel calm and improves your mood. C. Makes you hungry and lazy. D. Helps you win prizes and avoid homework. 4. Which of the following activities can help reduce stress? A. Playing patintero, dancing, and riding a bike. They keep you active and happy. B. Watching TV, eating chips, and sleeping all day. C. Scrolling on your phone, complaining, and skipping class. D. Sitting quietly and thinking about problems all day. 5. How can physical activities improve your well-being? A. They make you louder in class. B. They help you stay lazy and stress-free. C. They help your mind and body stay strong, happy, and relaxed. D. They help you avoid doing your homework. Let's check your answer. 1A, 2A, 3B, 4A, 5C. Thank you so much for listening and participating today, class. I hope you learned a lot from our lesson and that you'll remember to apply it in real life. Keep being kind, active, and always ready to learn. See you next time, and take care.